1 William Samoei Ruto. And I want to tell you this, Mr. William Samoei Ruto. Don't copy our party structure. Don't copy our recruitment drive system. Awachone kosoka wachone. And I want to say that we are in the process of patenting our party structure. Watamai ya urukamano.